إنما الخلف الطيب منهم من اقتفى أثر السلف. هذا هو الطيب منهم.
This is the only thing that will save us, wallah. If we have knowledge of that particular thing that Allah and the Messenger has said is salvation for us, we need to wake up to that fact. That is the solution, that is the answer. Likewise, Ibn al-Qayyim in another book, Zad al-Ma'ad, he mentions, وَإِذَا كَانَتْ سَعَادَةُ الدَّارَيْنِ مُعَلَّقَةً بِحَدْيِ النَّبِيِّ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَسَلَّمَ. Look at the reasoning he comes with. He said, if it's known that the happiness and the bliss and the success in both of these abodes, in this life and in the hereafter, is connected with the guidance of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, فَيَجِبْ عَلَى كُلِّ مَنْ نَصَحَ نَفْسَهُ وَأَحَبَّ نَجَاتَهَا وَسَعَادَتَهَا أَنْ يَعْرِفْ مِنْ حَجِّهِ وَسِيرَتِهِ. It becomes obligatory if we know that fact. So what's the first part? That if we know that success and happiness comes with the guidance of the Messenger, so thereon after it becomes imperative, wajib for us, those who want to advise themselves, those who want to rectify themselves, then they must know the guidance of the Messenger and his seerah. You must know this. And the haja of this and the need of this is the most important need, more than anything else, my brother and my sister. Listen to what Ibn al-Qayyim, he said, فَوْقَ كُلِّ حَاجَةٍ وَضُرُورَةٍ. It is above all needs, all necessities. ماذا? Having knowledge of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. قال ابن القيم في كتاب زاد المعاد ومن ها هنا يعلم اضطرار العباد فوق كل ضرورة إلى معرفة الرسول. And then it becomes known, imperative for the slaves, that they put the knowledge and following and learning regarding the sunnah of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam above all other needs. Above all other needs. Look at the importance you give to your food. Look at the importance you give to your drink and to your house and to your work. The ilm of the Messenger and what he came with, فوق ذلك, you are in more need of that. Why? Ibn al-Qayyim, he goes on to mention, فَإِنَّهُ لَا سَبِيلَ إِلَى سَعَادَةِ وَالْفَلَاحِ. There is no other way to happiness and success. لا في الدنيا ولا في الآخرة. Not in this life and not in the hereafter. إِلَّا عَلَى يَدِ الرَّسُولِ. Except by way of the messengers. So that is the answer, my brothers and my sisters. Every single problem and difficulty that we are facing, this is the ilaj. This is the answer.